What's going on, guys? Right now it's currently 2:34 in the morning and we're getting filled up. Going to head to Utah right now so we can catch the sunrise at 6:15 and then come right back to Idaho right after. But today's going to be so awesome. So we're shooting with my friend Jeremy and his Porsche GT4. He just barely picked it up. It's a beautiful spec, amazing car. Congratulations, Jeremy. I know you're watching this, so congrats. But we're also shooting with a car that's really, really rare. That I believe there's only 7 in the world, and 3 of those are prototypes, and this is one of the 3 prototypes. And so I'm not sure if I've put it in the title or not. I'll just say it's a car called a Rezvani Beast. Not many people have heard of those cars, but my friend Rob owns it. Crazy car. It's an insane, super lightweight, 500 horsepower car with the craziest doors. I think even crazier than like Koenigsegg doors. And yeah, it's gonna be a good time. So let's get the car filled up and then we'll get on the road and head to Utah. Let's go. Okay, we're all filled up. Let's get going. So we're on our way to the photo shoot right now, and we have about an hour before the cars show up, and it is raining all the time. And like again, makes for cool pictures. Love the rain. The only thing though, the Rezvani doesn't have a roof. Yeah, it's no roof. It's open top. And I wouldn't blame the owner for having a car that's one of 7 in the world with no roof and not wanting to drive it in the rain, especially when it's, I think, 500 wheel horsepower and rear wheel drive. Guess we'll see when we get there how the weather looks. Fingers crossed. GT4. Porsche just got here, but I think the Rezvani's coming up right now. Yup. This thing's so loud. Finished up with the Porsche, and we're positioning the Rezvani.
up the photo shoot. The Porsche's heading out right now, and now we're actually about to go for a drive with Rezvani. So excited to ride in this car. This thing's gonna be absolutely insane. It's lighter than a Lotus, 500 rear wheel horsepower, and just one of the most insane looking cars I've ever seen. But yeah, I think we're gonna try and set up a photo shoot with this and the Damon's McLaren Senna, and that'll be really sweet. So let's go for a ride in this thing. It's gonna be crazy. Not graceful one bit.
So easy.
Hey guys, Future Zach here. I thought I would hop in real fast, and we're about to go take a ride in the Rezvani, and I just wanted to say that the wind did me dirty on this video. The audio's fine, everything's fine, but it kind of made my hair look a little bit like Will Byers from Stranger Things. So just not my best look ever. Try to look past it. Hope you enjoy the ride along with the Rezvani. This is a really cool car, 1 of 8 in the world. And unfortunately, I just look like a Stranger Things character as I'm riding around in it. So, but I hope you enjoy the ride along clip, and let's go back to Zach and the Rezvani. Very nice and snug.
Setup is all carbon and ready for the track, so without temperature, brakes are not the best. A little iffy. This turbo sounds so good. I like it. The problem is, where to go? Like, you said 500 horsepower? 549 is what it dynoed at. Okay. What it weighs? 2,300 pounds, something like that? Just a hair over 2,000. Just the sounds of all this remind me of the Senna so much. Just the hearing everything clicking and clanking, and well, after the rain, you get all the gravel coming up, and you can just feel it bouncing off the body. Right. That's what made me so nervous riding in the Senna. I just heard all the gravel just hitting it everywhere, and I was like, oh, this is not even my $1 million car. But I will say, not having a roof and being a tall guy, it looks great for you. It's great. Yeah. No, I'm so happy with this. 2024. Built by Cosworth.
A little bit.
Factory, it's pretty nice.
We didn't get security calls on us before. Maybe we will now.
This is nothing.
That was so cool, dude. Thank you so much.
Yeah, for sure.
For that. Shit, that was such a cool experience. And thank you for coming out, man.
Hey, thanks for coming out.
Show these pictures and hope you love them, man.
Cool.
Looking forward to get the. Now, I'm not going to record me getting out of this. Dude, thank you so much again, man.
I love that sunrise.
Oh, look at that. Look at that view.
Okay.
See you later, man. That is insane. What an insane day. Totally worth waking up at 2 a.m. and driving all the way 3.5 hours here, and I'm about to go drive 3.5 hours back, but to experience the car. 1 of 8 in the world, so correct my numbers I said at the start of the video. 1 of 8 in the world, and only 2 prototypes, and that's one of the prototypes. And again, just this location, just look at that. Look at that massive canyon just cutting right through. It's just Utah killing it. That's why I always come down here. Everyone asks, like, why do I go to Utah so many times? That's why in 9 months, I put 30,000 miles on that car. Just, I come here all the time, and there's a reason. Just look at that. Insane. Yeah, hope you guys really enjoyed that. Hope you enjoyed the cars. I definitely want to set up a photo shoot with the Rezvani and the Senna. Probably the 2 most rare cars here in the state. And yeah, we'll throw up a couple pictures from the photo shoots around, and this was a great day. Thank you so much again for watching. I really appreciate you sticking around, and I really hope you're enjoying the channel so far. Like I said, I really enjoy making these videos for you, and I really hope you subscribe, stick around, and thank you so much, and hope you have a great day. Bye.